Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to be sharing a few more hadiths from Riyaz Salihin, the book of Miscellany. So let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. First hadith is hadith number 123. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He who goes to the mosque at dawn or dusk for salat, Allah prepares a hospitable abode for him in Jannah every time when he walks to it or comes back from it." This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. Next hadith is hadith number 124. Abu Huraira reported, O Muslim women, never belittle any gift you give to your neighbor, even if it is a hoof of a sheep. This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. Next hadith is hadith number 125. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Iman has over 70 branches or over 60 branches, the uppermost of which is declaration. None has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and the least of which is the removal of harmful object from the road, and modesty is a branch of Iman. This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. Next hadith is hadith number 127. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I saw a man going about in Jannah and enjoying himself as a reward for cutting from the middle of the road a tree which was causing inconvenience to the Muslims. This hadith is from Muslim. And the next hadith, which is the last hadith for today, it's hadith number 128. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, He who performs his wudu perfectly and comes to Jummah prayer and listens to khutbah silently, the sins which he committed since the previous Friday plus 3 more days, meaning 10 days, will be forgiven for him. One who distracts himself with pebbles during the khutbah will not get Jummah reward. And these days it can be like using our devices during, if we have gone for Jummah and there is khutbah going on, or whatever time that is. So if we are busy using Facebook or whatever, then that is also equivalent to playing with pebbles, as is said in this hadith. So this hadith is from Muslim. That's all for today. Fi amanillah.